Hi guys, it's me, Aaron, from Straight Line Cycles, and boy am I beat. I've been working hard getting this garage ready for debut. Check it out. So, there's my little Super Cub. Now you have to look past the stuff in the background because it's my brother's, and we're getting the garage cleaned up for some fabrication. We got the air compressor set up over there. Got the die cycle right there and my welder. As you can see, without even sharpening, it will make a weld. Garbage, but it will make a weld. So I'm excited to get that going. We can start welding on the die cycle, and hopefully I can bring you guys some pretty cool content in here. Well guys, this is the new shop. What do you think? Alright guys, so here's what we got going on. Our lighting situation over here is dim to none. This ballast is bad. Actually, most of these ballasts are bad, so we're going to have to get some different lights. Yard equipment, compressor, those are my door panels. Our Eastwood helmet is actually really good. We're going to be doing some welding real quick in this video. I'm going to see if it can be used as TIG wire, and this exhaust here is off the truck, and eventually I'm going to cut the big muffler section out and weld a pipe to join the two together, because right now it's a little bit on the Sunday side. But yeah, let's do some welding real quick. Probably, of course, grind all that down, but I'm not going to show you the close-up details. You know they're bad. But hey, that was fun. It's a good learning process, that's for sure. I think I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys off the hook on this video. We'll get more familiar with welding, and we'll do some more projects. You'll be pretty excited like I am. Hopefully. Later, guys.